We're by the busy traffic, the tide is down, and I thought, come on, let's walk around the walls of the bathing pool whilst the tide is down. I've never done it before. See what it's like. It's quite windy, so it'll be interesting to see what the sound is like. So there is Castle Quay. I've got an appointment there in 25 minutes. There is Elizabeth Castle. And this is what we're going to walk over. Wow, the tide is out miles. So somebody did, I think not so long ago, say, is the bathing pool still there in front of the Grand Hotel? Well, it is. But as you can see, there's quite a few holes in it, and obviously the tide is out and there's no water in it, so I don't know if it's a conscious effort because it's got damage not to trap just a certain amount of water in it, or because they think it's dangerous. Makes for a rather unusual walk. It won't be very long. The seaweed's a bit stinky. I mean, look, you can see there, it's in need of repair. It's not going to be that long before it starts falling down, I think. So and it is quite a big wall, isn't it? I didn't realise it was so tall. Yeah, you can see where the sea has damaged it. It's a bit of a miserable, cloudy day today. The forecast was really good, and I had intended to do something different today, but I've injured my back a bit, and the weather isn't great, so I've given it a miss. Ooh, careful here. It gets slippery. Yeah, needs some repair, doesn't it? Don't see anything living in it. You'd think there would be, though. Yeah. You wouldn't want to fall off, would you? Oh, it's probably done my back a bit of good going for a walk. And I'm walking around to Castle Quay. So I'll film it. Might as well. Yeah, I think obviously in the old days there used to be thousands of people down here in the summer. I think those days have sort of gone nowadays. You do get people on this part of the beach, but does it justify repairing the bathing pool? Yeah, I think so. St Helier's a seaside town. Why not? And that could have all been a swimming area, but not today. I have to tell you, the reason my back is giving me so much jip is that I saw a program on YouTube which said that for the over 50s, walking alone is not enough to maintain your physical strength. And I saw a video by an over 50s physio expert, and he recommended 5 exercises. 1 a day, 3 repetitions of, I think he said 10. So, me being a complete idiot, having not exercised at all for probably 30 years, decided to do this, and I wasn't content with 10 on my first set. I thought, this is easy. Had a 5 kilo weight, which is, for most people, they could carry 10 of them. 5 kilo weight, bending and stretching. I did 25 in my first set, about 20 in my second set, and suddenly I thought, oh, I'm not feeling too clever. Didn't complete the third set, And for the next 3 days, I've been in real pain, which I think goes to show that those exercises are very necessary, but it also goes to show that I need to start really slowly. Well, that would have been made for a good video. Tom gets run over by the Elizabeth Castle duck. It's not really a beach day, is it? This family have been trying to make the most of it, but right, I'm going to be just in time for my appointment in Castle Quay. La Frégate. Sorry. Victoria Marine Lake. How is it a lake? It's off the coast. Can you have lakes in the sea? Not sure about that one. It'll be interesting to see what the audio is like, because it is very windy, but I'm using my DJI Mic 2 in addition to the camera's mic as a standalone mic, and the last time I tried that, it didn't work. So we'll see how it fares this time. That's the Radisson Blue Hotel. Elizabeth Castle straight in front. Looks like it's trying to clear up. Tomorrow is meant to be gorgeous weather. So if it is, I'll do what I have planned for today, tomorrow. Perfect timing. It's a nice area. So I'm filming this with my DJI Osmo 3 action camera, which is a much older camera. I already had bought two DJI Osmo 4s, and I saw a bundle deal with the DJI Osmo 3 with 3 batteries and a tripod, all for a very reasonable price. So I thought I would buy it to see if there is discernible difference in the quality, the video quality. And I filmed a few things with it recently and posted some of them, and nobody said, "Hang on, Tom, what's happened to the video?" And to my untrained eye, it looks very similar. So if they do another really cheap deal for the Osmo 3, I'm going to snap another one up. Hopefully my wife won't watch this. I'm fairly sure she won't, because I think she thinks I've got enough action cameras, and she's right. And I haven't even bought an Action 5 yet, and the Action 6 is coming out any day now. So I think I'd have to have one of each of those. And here we are. I'm going to switch off. I think buying action cameras is possibly my only addiction. I can't stop doing it. Always have an overpowering urge to buy one when I see they're reduced in price. Okay guys, hope you're having a nice day, and that's it from me.
Thank you so much for watching.